In front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to find and launch Theme Store app. Now pick a perfect theme for you from one of those options at the bottom by tapping on Themes at the top or selecting search bar and typing in whatever you wish. After finding a perfect theme, click on it, choose Apply, and wait. So when I go back to check it out, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. Now let's see on lock screen. Everything works. If you want to go back to your default theme or find any other downloaded one, go back to Theme Store app. Click on this section here at the bottom right corner and tap on My Resources. You will find everything under Themes, so all you need to do is tap on Apply button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!